Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome back to our guide on replacing the touchscreen on the MacBook A2681. In this part, we'll dive into the technical details of the replacement process. To start, ensure you have the following tools: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Begin by powering down your MacBook and disconnecting it from any power source. Place your MacBook on a soft, static-free surface to avoid any scratches. Next, using the P5 pentalobe screwdriver, remove the 10 screws from the bottom case. Remember to keep these screws organized. A magnetic mat can be very helpful for this. Once the screws are out, gently lift the bottom case off. You'll now see the internals of your MacBook. Before proceeding, it's critical to clean any dust or debris inside the case. A can of compressed air works wonders for this task. Now, locate the battery connector. Using your spudger, carefully disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, we'll focus on the display assembly. Using the T5 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws securing the display hinge. There are typically 6 screws on each side, so be sure to keep track of these. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the display assembly from the base. This can require a bit of force, but be cautious not to damage any cables. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws are removed. With the display assembly out, let's move on to the touchscreen replacement. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our service ensures you won't have to make any calls or travel. We handle everything for you. Now, carefully detach the old touchscreen from the display assembly. This can involve some adhesive, so a gentle approach is key here. Use your spudger to pry it off slowly, taking care not to damage any internal components. Once the old touchscreen is removed, clean the area with a lint-free cloth to ensure a proper seal for the new touchscreen. Take your new touchscreen and align it with the display assembly. Press down firmly to secure it in place. Now, reconnect any cables that were detached during the process. Ensure that all connections are snug and secure to avoid any issues later. With everything reconnected, it's time to reattach the display assembly to the MacBook base. Reverse the steps by securing the hinge screws you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the battery and replace the bottom case, securing it with the P5 pentalobe screws. Before closing everything up, it's a good idea to test the new touchscreen to ensure it's functioning properly. If you require a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We provide professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you understand the costs before proceeding. Once confirmed, close up your MacBook and power it on. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the touchscreen on your MacBook A2681. Thank you for following this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.